Good evening from the office of the mob, Justice Football. Let's take this opportunity to welcome Bramike Kamo Sibilebile to the home of the mighty Buccaneers. He was signed from TS Galaxy, where he made his very impressive season, having to appear in 27 matches in last season. One thing about Kamo, sometimes we must try to break it down. One thing about Kamo is that player that played the football type of Orlando Pirates Football Club. Kamo will fit so perfect to the football philosophy of Orlando Pirates Football, more especially that of Coach Abdul Salam. One thing about him is his level of consistency. His versatility is able to play at the right back, left back, and as well as wing attack. That's the versatility that you're looking for from Kamo Sibilebile. So others are saying, is this the perfect replacement for Mohaung Kota? I'm definitely saying yes, it is. Then others are asking, is TS Galaxy in the verge of being sold? There's just a lot of players that are making their way there out of TS Galaxy. Kiken Dolly, the striker, that one, now with Sibilebile. But that's how Tim Sukazi operates though. He generates revenue. That's the kind of boss. But we are yet to see, because we are told that Captain City has also proposed TS Galaxy about the possibility of selling their status. But nonetheless, Kamo is going to join some of the players that are in the cap at Johannesburg. We know that we have a number of players that couldn't manage to make it to Spain. So Kamo is going to join them and they'll be monitored remotely. Once a Pirates, always a Sibilebile. Pirates is not for the five skippers. Let's go. The mandate is very clear. CAF Champions League, and the league must come back home.